So for the Pan American case, it is actually quite similar to the Buddhist case, but different outcomes. So basically, there's also a male trying to apply for a position, which is the air steward with Pan American Airlines. And the airline maintained that, men cannot provide the maternal essence of attending to passengers, meaning that they think the men are not nurturing, caring enough, that they will not be very attentive to the needs of the customers or passengers, right? And actually, the court ruled in favor of them, right? But of course, the man appealed, and in the court of appeal, it actually ruled against the initial judgment. So you can see that such cases, right, it can be a bit controversial. People coming from different perspectives, right, have different rationale about what exactly, right, is the requirement for this position, right, in order to perform this job well. So you can see, right, the importance of job description or job analysis here. Right, the Court of Appeal actually said that the job of flight attendant is not so much or not at all about caring for passengers and all that. He said that it's just about ensuring the passenger safety. So make sure that they buckle their seatbelt during takeoff or landing, make sure they know where is the emergency exit, know how to use the life jacket and all those things. Right, so we can see that people have very different perspective of what is required to perform well for this job. And that brings us to the importance of job analysis. So today's learning objectives will be all these things listed here. So we want to know, of course, the uses of job analysis is not only for such legal cases, there are more, right? And the ways or sources of information, where do we collect the information in order to conduct the job analysis well? And then there are different methods as assessments to do the job analysis, right? And then a brief discussion on the reliability and validity of the methods and how well the job evaluation can pack through the different salary levels.